Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to add Outlook calendar to iPhone. So to do this process, you have to add your Outlook account into your iPhone first. So you can do that by just simply going for the settings. Now, here on the settings, you can just simply go ahead and scroll down until you find over here apps. Now, once you are on the apps, you could just simply go for the calendar option or calendar app. And pretty much over here, you will have calendar accounts. So go ahead and select your calendar account. And as you can see, I have the iCloud account and the Gmail. So now just simply select add account. And once you have add account, you will have here outlook.com or the Microsoft Exchange. Now, once you have selected it, guys, just simply go ahead and sign in into your account using your email and pass, and just simply allow all of the necessary permission needed in order for you to proceed. And after that, once you have done that, you can just simply select your account from the list and make sure, guys, that your calendar is turned on over here. And then just simply make sure to select save in order for you to proceed. Now, guys, once you open up your Apple Calendar, you should be able to see calendars down below. And pretty much over here, guys, you should be able to see your Outlook once you have your Outlook calendar. And as you can see, I have the iCloud sync in, and I should be able to filter my calendar over here. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.